from website to data center. Interconnectivity. Most sensitive systems, such as military, intelligence, infrastructure, have physically or technologically air-gapped network. So what an air-gapped network is that, as you can see in this photo, it's a system that's physically disconnected from the other system. This photo is from the DARPA's Cyber Grand Challenge hacking competition, which was a competition in which computers would compete against each other, trying to hack each other. So it was a sort of a artificial intelligence computers, supercomputers, trying to play as hackers and hacking into each other and protecting each other from hacking attempts. So the way the system worked, because these machines were very dangerous, these were artificial intelligence machines that could almost hack everything, they did not connect that to the internet. If these supercomputers were held in a physically isolated area, and they would compete against each other, and for the people to actually see the results of this competition, there was a machine, as you see in the photo, that would write the results on a CD and then spit the CD out. So as you can see, there's a slide over there that you can spit the CD out, and they would use this slipped out CD to read the results of the competition. So there was no connection between that. A lot of military and important systems are air-gapped. They are not connected to the internet. The website particularly is not connected to the data center. Although in some cases it is. I know of a telecommunication company which for monetary reasons had connected its website to data center so that it can make money easier and faster without doing a lot of development. And there was an attacker that used this flaw to get the list of numbers tapped by the intelligence agency in the country from the website. So imagine going to the website of a telecommunication company, doing an SQL injection, and then getting a result, the numbers, the phone numbers that are tapped by the intelligence. And that's really scary. It requires a tremendous effort by a large group of professional hackers to bypass the air gap. For example, Stuxnet, which required access to the industrial network, it used a bunch of very complicated technologies that require an actual book to explain, to infiltrate the air gap. So basically what it did was that it used humans. So humans would install the initial version on their laptops, then they would write code, and the output of that code would be infected, and they would use the output of that code to create devices and then use those devices inside the air-gapped environment.